Are you tired of seeing minimal earnings from your Telegram bots? Referrals can be your game changer. But here's the catch: you need effective strategies to succeed. Start by tapping into your personal network. Your friends and family trust you. Explain the bot's benefits and showcase your earnings. Motivate them to share your link. Dive into Telegram groups focused on airdrops and passive income. Be genuinely helpful and answer questions. Trust translates into more users joining through your link. Maximize your reach using social media. Share proof of your earnings and engaging videos about the bot. Visual content captures attention fast. Use Instagram Reels to expand your audience. Create quick videos, 15-60 seconds long, highlighting how to join your bot. These clips thrive on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Combine strategies by writing simple guides. Share your success stories infused with a strong call to action. Clearly lay out how others can start. Effective direct messaging can yield great results. Connect with interested individuals, offering valuable insights instead of just sending a link. Consistency is crucial. Regularly update your audience about your progress. Share daily earnings and withdrawal proofs to sustain interest. Consider enticing bonuses. Offer free guides, personalized assistance, or small giveaways to encourage signups through your referral link. Utilize link shorteners like bit.ly to track clicks. This will inform you about where to direct your efforts for maximum results. Remember, patience is key. Building trust takes time. Stay active, keep posting, and watch your referrals grow. Focus on being helpful, sharing genuine results, and nurturing trust. Start small, scale your efforts, and your earnings will rise, one referral at a time. Implement these strategies today and watch your success soar.